Spreadsheets full of inconsistent data? Tired of manually copying and pasting between tabs? Gemini can help. In today's quick tip, we'll see how to simplify automations with AppScript and Gemini. Let's start with some messy data. The phone numbers in our customer data sheet are all formatted in different, messy ways, and the names have bad capitalization. You could share the spreadsheet with Gemini or just describe the problem, but I'm going to use the Gemini for Chrome sidebar. Instead of wrestling with complicated formulas and many steps to clean it up, I'm just going to ask Gemini to write me a script that will fix these two issues. Try to be specific about columns so it understands your goals. Gemini will generate some AppScript code. Very similar to macros in Excel, these quick functions can be used in nearly infinite ways. I'm going to open the Extensions menu and select AppScript. Replace the code in the code.gs view, then save and run. I'll have to grant permission for the script to run, but then when I go back to my sheet, it has successfully cleaned up the names and the phone numbers data. In our second example, we'll simplify data copying. I've got multiple sheets with monthly sales records on them. I've been asked to put together a list of all the urgent orders for the year. I could copy and paste each row onto a new tab, use some somewhat complicated formulas, or I can ask Gemini to help. Once again, I describe my problem, make sure Gemini understands I want to use all of the tabs and what column the data is in. I'll copy Gemini's script and run it in the AppScript window again. Same steps as before, save, run, and approve. It's also a good practice to name your script files so they're not all called untitled. When it finishes, I find my data waiting for me. AppScript can be intimidating, and it isn't always perfect, but you don't need to know how to code to take advantage of it. Just try discussing your next data headache with Gemini. We'll see you next time.